Okay guys, I know you've been struggling with the idea of speciation, so I've made this small animation for you. Hope it helps. Enjoy. Okay, here's our example of speciation. To begin with, we've got an island that is predominantly white. This island is inhabited by white butterflies that blend into the background, but there are different variants of this butterfly. Some have blue spots, some have green, and some have yellow. My first question to you is, why is variation important among a species? Variation among a species allows it to preempt any upcoming changes in its environment. So the example of the first change in an environment in this animation is the dividing of the island. Okay, so this is called a geographical divide. Give me some examples of a geographical divide. In this case, the geographical divide is the formation of sea between the island, resulting in two islands which we're labelling Island 1 and Island 2. Now, Island 1 and 2 are both inhabited by the butterflies because they were on the original island, all variations of them. But over thousands of millions of years, there is environmental change. Now, on Island 2, we get the growth of predominantly green plants, whereas on Island 1, we get the growth of predominantly yellow plants. But my question is, what effect will this have on the butterfly species? So, the butterfly species found on Island 2, which is mainly inhabited by green plants, will become more green to blend in with their background, whereas the butterflies on Island 1 will become more yellow. So, although at the moment both islands are inhabited by all variations of the butterfly, so they're still white with blue, yellow, and green spots, natural selection will select the butterflies depending on their colour. So, on Island 2, the green butterflies are more likely to survive, and on Island 1, the yellow butterflies are more likely to survive. So, over time, more green butterflies are found on Island 2 and more yellow butterflies are found on Island 1. But the butterflies are more likely to survive the more green or yellow they are. So on Island 2 we eventually get a new species of butterfly that are all green, and on Island 1 we get a new species that are all yellow. Okay. Now the butterflies found on Island 2 are all green and they can mate with each other to produce more green butterflies. So these are a species because they can breed with each other and make fertile offspring. Now the yellow butterflies found on Island 1, they're also a species, so they can breed with each other and make fertile offspring, so they're a species in their own right. Whereas if we try to mate the yellow and green species with each other from both islands, they can no longer breed, so they're different species.